In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Smartsheet with SharePoint. We'll build a simple, reliable automation using an integration platform such as Zapier or AppyPie. By the end, you'll have a workflow where a SharePoint event, like a new file added to a folder, automatically creates an item in Smartsheet, saving you time and manual effort. First, choose your trigger app and event. Set SharePoint as the trigger app, then pick the event that will start your workflow. A common choice is new file and folder, but you can select whatever matches your process. After selecting the event, specify the SharePoint site, document library, and the exact folder to watch. If your platform allows filters, narrow it down by file type or naming pattern so you only trigger when it truly matters. This helps avoid clutter in Smartsheet and keeps your automation focused. Next, connect your accounts. Authorize the integration platform to access SharePoint. You may be prompted to use single sign-on or request admin approval, depending on your organization's policies. Grant only the permissions needed for the chosen trigger, confirm the right tenant or site is selected, and make sure you have at least read access to the folder you're monitoring. A quick account test here can save time later. Now choose your action app and event. Select Smartsheet as the action app, then choose what you want it to do. Create row is ideal when you want each SharePoint file to appear as a new entry in a specific sheet. Create workspace works when a new SharePoint item should kick off a full project space. Point the action to the correct sheet or workspace in Smartsheet so the data lands exactly where your team expects it. Set up the connection by mapping fields from the SharePoint trigger to the Smartsheet action. For example, map file name to your sheet's primary column, the file URL to a link column, and create a time to a date column. Use default values where SharePoint might not provide data, and watch out for date formats and time zones. Run a test from the integration platform to create a sample row or workspace in Smartsheet. Then open Smartsheet to confirm everything appears as intended. Finally, activate the workflow. Turn it on, give it a clear name, and enable notifications for any errors. Monitor the first few runs to ensure the trigger fires consistently and the data maps cleanly. If you see unexpected results, refine your trigger settings or field mappings and retest. With that, your SharePoint to Smartsheet automation is live and ready to streamline your work.